Dear children, today we are going to learn about 2D and 3D shapes. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. Square. A square has four sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has four vertices or four corners. Rectangle. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has four vertices or four corners. Triangle. A triangle has three sides. It has three vertices or three corners. Circle. A circle has no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin, carom coins, etc. Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth, and height. So, a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. Solids have faces, edges, and vertices. Some of the shapes of the solids are cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone, etc. Look at the shapes of the objects shown here. All these objects have a shape of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. The points where three edges meet is called a vertex. A cuboid has 8 vertices, 6 faces. In the given figure, 3 faces are visible and 3 are hidden. Count the faces of your book. It has 6 faces. One front face, one back face, one top face, one bottom face, and 2 side faces. Look at these objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Children, we have seen all the objects shown here in our daily life. All these objects have a shape of a cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has 2 curved edges and 3 faces. One face of a cylinder is a curved face. 2 faces, that is the top and bottom of a cylinder, are flat. Children, now take a look at the shapes of the objects shown here. Each one of these objects have a shape of a sphere. A sphere has one curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Children, now look at these familiar objects. All these objects have a shape of a cone. A cone has one vertex and it has one curved edge. It has 2 faces, one curved face and one flat face. All solid figures have three different views: top views, front views, and side views. I hope you understood, children. Thank you.